Hello, and a warm welcome to Radiant Skin Revelations. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on an exciting journey towards achieving the smoothest, most flawless legs you've ever dreamed of. We're going to unveil a method that combines effective exfoliation and nourishment to combat common skin issues such as razor bumps, irritating razor burns, troublesome dry skin, that pesky strawberry-like texture, and even the ever-elusive cellulite. Say goodbye to those generic drugstore body lotions that just don't cut. In this video, I'll guide you through a comprehensive routine and introduce you to an array of carefully selected products. We've got options, including some fantastic DIY choices and readily available skincare wonders. Each one has been chosen with one goal in mind, helping you achieve the smoothest skin imaginable. And don't forget, all the products I mentioned today are conveniently linked in the video description for easy access. So without any more delay, if you're as eager as I am to unlock secrets of perfectly exfoliated and moisturized legs, let's dive right in. Step 1. Cleansing. Our journey begins with the fundamental first step, cleansing. And for this, we have the incredible Mario Badescu AHA Botanical Body Soap. It's not just your ordinary soap, it's designed to smooth and brighten your skin, making it a perfect companion for your skincare mission. The best part? It's gentle enough for daily use. Here's how I do it. In the shower, I take a small amount, roughly a quarter-sized portion for each leg, and gently massage it onto my skin. While I do this, I like to mentally sing the ABC song. Yes, it gives the soap enough time to work its magic. And remember, I always opt for lukewarm water during my shower to avoid drying out the skin. Step 2. Exfoliation. Now let's talk about one of the pivotal steps in our routine, exfoliation. While there are plenty of exfoliants available, I've got a game changer for you. A DIY exfoliant that requires just two common ingredients, olive oil and coffee. To create this DIY exfoliant, simply blend olive oil and coffee. I recommend making it fresh each time to ensure its effectiveness. After your shower, massage this body scrub onto your skin, just as you did with the body soap. Apart from leaving your skin incredibly smooth, the coffee in the scrub can help reduce the appearance of cellulite by increasing blood flow to the skin surface. Step 3. Shaving. Let's move on to the critical step of shaving. Shaving can either make or break your quest for smooth skin. So let's address common mistakes. First, using a dull or insufficiently bladed razor can lead to stubble, razor bumps, and ingrown hairs. On the flip side, a razor that's too sharp or has too many blades can cause cuts and razor burns. My go-to razors are the Big Soleil razors. They strike that perfect balance, sharp enough to be effective, yet not too sharp to cause harm. Keep in mind that everyone's skin is unique. So you may need to experiment and find a razor that suits you, especially if you have sensitive skin. Now, here's a game-changing tip. I shave using conditioner. It not only smooths your legs, but also softens the hair, making the shaving process less abrasive. No more cuts, stubble, razor burns, or ingrown hairs. You can almost use any conditioner. It doesn't need to be specific. This, in my opinion, is the ultimate shaving hack. One last tip, I shave in the opposite direction of hair growth for the closest, smoothest shave. Step 4. Moisturization. Now let's venture into the next step, moisturization. And here's a bit of an unconventional but highly effective approach. I apply jojoba oil to my skin while in the shower. This may seem unusual, but trust me, it's incredible. When you apply jojoba oil to your legs while warm water is running over your body, it locks in moisture and leaves your skin radiant, well hydrated, and thoroughly moisturized. And if you don't have jojoba oil, olive oil from your kitchen works just as effectively. Step 5. Cellulite massage. Moving on to step 5. A little something to tackle cellulite. It involves using a cellulite massager in the shower after applying jojoba oil. It's essentially a brush designed for this purpose. Keep in mind that cellulite massagers provide short-term results, but they're incredibly relaxing. Step 6. Body lotion. And now, the final touch. Body lotion. Forget those generic drugstore options. I've got a fantastic DIY body butter recipe that outperforms anything you can find on the shelves. To create it, you'll need a shea butter and jojoba oil. Simply blend them until you achieve a whipped, creamy consistency. Store it in a small mason jar, and it's good to go. This DIY body butter is an absolute wonder for smoothing your skin. If you prefer store-bought options, I have two fantastic alternatives. CeraVe lotion for rough and bumpy skin is an excellent choice for extreme dryness or inflammation. Another favorite is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Daily Skin Therapy with the vitamin E, which works wonders on all skin conditions. Finishing touch. After using the body butter, put on some leggings. They help seal in the moisture and give your skin time to absorb all that hydration. Remember, you don't have to sleep in them. Just give it about an hour before you take them off. Thank you so much for joining me on this skincare journey today. I genuinely hope you've found these tips and steps transformative in your quest for smooth and flawless skin. Skincare is a personal journey, so you find what works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips, tricks, and revelations. If you loved this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with those who could benefit from these skincare gems. Wishing you the very best on your path to radiant and healthy skin. Until we meet again, take impeccable care of your skin and yourself. Goodbye for now.